Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is a big one. 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. You guys know I'm not one to get super excited and enthusiastic on camera, but this one I couldn't help myself. I had to throw the hands up in the air. It's about as excited as you'll see me externally, right? On the inside, I'm very excited. Thank you so much, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I'm just very grateful for all of you. If I could translate this message into something that's helpful for you, it would be that there's so many people that are going to try and give you hate, shitty comments, whatever, man. Like, don't feed it. Don't pay attention to your friend who says you can't make money online. Don't pay attention to your mom who says you have to go to college. Don't pay attention to anyone except for yourself, really. I mean, listen to mentors, listen to people, read books, look at people who've done success, and be a master modeler, right? You want to essentially get very good at learning and implementing. You can do those things, you're okay. I saw people making YouTube channels teaching something that I was already doing, so I said, you know what? Why don't I start sharing my ideas and my thoughts on this topic? Try and keep everything super affordable for you guys. I'm sure a lot of you guys appreciate that. I wish I had that when I started. So yeah, the fact that you guys are here supporting me means the world to me. I'm gonna be giving away two, not that big on the giveaways, two $50 Amazon gift cards. I almost said Amazon FBA gift card. I don't really know what that would be. I'm gonna be giving away 2 Amazon gift cards. All you have to do is comment Amazon FBA on this video. Make sure you're subscribed and leave a thumbs up on the video. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna get going. It is Monday. This is one of my most efficient days. I don't know why. I have a ton of new products that I am contacting suppliers about, and I just looked at my Alibaba account and it is a little bit chaotic, so I got to get back to them. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about there. If you haven't started Amazon FBA yet, this is a great channel to get started on. Saying that in the most humble way possible. There's plenty of great YouTubers out there that can teach you just as well as I can. But hopefully you enjoy the community, you enjoy the family, and I know that I appreciate all your guys' presence in the comments and the likes. I see every one of them, so don't think I don't. All right, guys, thank you so much for all your support. 10,000 subscribers. You guys are crazy. Can't wait to be making another one of these videos at 100,000. We'll get there. I know we will, and then we'll get to 1 million after that. As long as I don't die or something, we'll get there. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.